Hello students, I am Sakshi, an assistant professor in RPIT campus Bastada, Karnal. In this video, we will discuss about the difference between entrepreneur and manager. In our previous videos, we have learnt about the introduction of entrepreneur. In this video, firstly we will see who is a manager. Now, manager is someone who manages all the activities or all the workforce involved in a business organization for achieving the ultimate objective of the business organization. He is a person who is appointed by the owner, or we can say by the entrepreneur of the business. Now, there are various characteristics of manager which are goal oriented. He is a person who is goal oriented because he works for the achieving of the ultimate goal of the business. He is a formal authority. He has responsibility to work according to the objective of the business. He has a purpose to work, and he is also involved for improving the work environment so that the objective of the business can be achieved effectively and efficiently. Now, if we talk about the work or job of manager, then it is he decides what to do. After that, he makes plans that how it will be performed. Then he directs to the other employees under him. After the direction has given, he evaluates the performances of employees, and at last he measures, or we can say he compares the actual result with the set objective in the first point. Now, there are various functions of managers which are planning, organizing, staffing, directing, and controlling. Now, the question arises, are entrepreneur and managers are same? No, there is difference between the entrepreneur and managers. Now we will see the difference between entrepreneur and manager. The first one is ownership. Entrepreneur are the owner of their own business, whereas managers are appointed by the entrepreneurs, so they are the salaried persons. Now, if we talk about money, finance, then entrepreneur earns profit from the business, whereas manager have salary from the business. The next one is about risk bearing. As the business is of entrepreneur, the ownership is with the entrepreneur, so the risk beared in the business is with the entrepreneur, whereas in comparison to the entrepreneur, manager has no such risk in the business organization. Now, if we talk about the workings or functions, entrepreneur has to perform or look after all the functions of the business because it is his own business, and he has to bear all the losses by himself, so he has the responsibility to check out all the functions of the business, whereas manager is appointed at a limited salary and for a limited activities or functions, so he has to perform only those functions. The last one is innovation. Entrepreneur is someone who innovates or introduce some new idea in the form of business organization, whereas managers are the executors of the ideas which has been innovated by the entrepreneur. So this is the difference between managers and entrepreneurs. Thank you.